Hello family, welcome back to Clementina's TV. My name is Clementina and today we're going to be tackling an all-day extreme laundry routine. I've got my husband here to help me manage this massive laundry load. We are going to be washing, drying and folding. I'm also going to be giving you some tips on how to fold your bed sheets that you can use for your guest room, your personal bedroom or your short-term rental property. This technique will help keep the bed sheets free from wrinkle, dust, and dirt. If you want to see how that's done, then keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for upload notification. Now, as you can see, I'm grouping the bed sheets, the comforter, and the towels by colors and materials. This step is extremely important for me because it helps prevent damages and ensure the bed sheets last longer. You can see here I got all my gray materials in one basket, and that's my towels and my blankets. Now one thing guys I like to do is clean my basket before putting in my clean materials back in there. So as you can see here, I'm going in with my disinfectant wipes and I am gonna run through My basket, each and every one of them, I like to disinfect before putting in my clean materials back in so I can carry them home. Now the washer cycle is finished. It's time to transfer the bedding into the dryer. Now, as you can see, I'm folding one bed sheet at a time. I like to turn them inside out. Okay, so the side that touches the mattress remains outside, while the visible side, the side that's supposed to be up to their eye to see, stays inward. And then make sure you straighten the material thoroughly to ensure that there's absolutely no wrinkles. Release all the air, any trapped air. That helps with the neat finish. Watch me closely as I fold few bed sheets. Here comes my favorite part, putting away the clean bed sheets, towels, beddings. This is my favorite part. Everything is neat, smells fresh, and the way I put away my things is that I put them away by print, by colors as well. The rules goes all the way home. And so it makes it easier when I'm making beds. It make it faster for me to just go straight to the print that I want, and just run through. And I'm gonna go into deep details, guys. This is just the beginning. Stick around. I'm gonna show you guys how to make those beds. I'm gonna show you how I do a whole bunch of stuff with my short-term rental property, how I keep it neat, how I earn that super host title. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.